Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Papercraft with Me YouTube channel. Today I want to show you my solution for using this stamp set called 9 Lives. It's a lovely cat themed set with an outline of a cat plus a couple of extra images which you can use for adding markings to the cat outline. It's a photopolymer stamp set, so it should be fairly easy to put it together, but the problem some people are finding is that the tail, when they put the stamp down, the tail isn't always in exactly the right place. It's very easy to get it in the wrong place. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to get around that. But first of all, I'll show you the cat punch. This punch punches out those images so that you can use them on lots of different things. So it actually helps in terms of getting the stamps in the right place. What I'm going to do to start with is I'm just going to put my cat on there, press him down, and because the stamp is dry, it sticks to the paper a little bit. So I'll ink him up. And what I have here, once I've stamped him down, so I'm deliberately stamping him straight onto that paper that's underneath my Stamparatus, or on top of my Stamparatus platform. Now this is a piece of scrap card that I have punched out with the cat punch, and I'm just going to put that on there like that, and that shows me exactly where that punch needs to be. Now I'm going to use my punch. This is smoky slate card. So there's my piece, and I'm going to now insert that piece into the hole in that little frame. I'm going to ink up my cat outline again, stamp him down, and he's stamped directly onto my cat outline. Let's turn that plate round, and I'm going to grab let's do the stripes first, I think actually. I'm going to grab the stripes, and I'm going to place my striped piece on top, and I'm going to get my head in shot, I just know I am. So there we go, I'm just placing him just there so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Press that down, and because I have that frame in place, even though it lifted up that punched piece, I can get it back in exactly the right place. So I'm inking up the striped one with grey granite ink, like that. I'm going to bring in my second plate and patchy stamped image, and again lining it up with my head in shot, making sure it's in the right place. Pick it up, and now with smoky slate ink stamp the patches, and there you are. There's my cat, all nicely stamped with the 3 different images to give him some texture, and then all I need to do from there is add it to a project. What I have here is a piece of thick whisper white card. It's cut to 2 inches wide by 5.5. I've punched the top using the scallop tag topper punch, and it punches the curve at the top and the ribbon slot. And I have some Pear Pizzazz ink here, and I'm just going to very quickly add a little bit of green to the bottom there. This is Balmy Blue ink, so I'm going to add a little bit of blue to the top. Doesn't have to be too dark. And then my little cat will just sit on there. And then one final thing, I'll bring my Stamparatus back in here. Let's turn that one round. That's why I love my Stamparatus. It gives me the option to stamp everything in one go. So this is roughly where my cat's going to sit. I'm going to add my sentiment like that. Make sure it's straight. Juggling with my Memento black ink. Stamp it down. And there we go. If I'd remembered to bring my glue to the video, I would stick my cat down. So there's my bookmark. It just needs a little bit of ribbon through the top. Trim it off and we'll be done. So I will finish this with the glue and sticking my ribbon in place, and I will show that to you on my blog, and there'll be a link in the description below. So I hope that's been helpful, and if you need any more hints, tips, inspiration or information about Stampin' Up's products, you can visit my website and blog at www.papercraftwithme.com, and I'll be able to help you there, and as I say, you'll have all the information about today's project when it's finished. So thanks very much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.